Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to enable Facebook Professional Mode. Now as you can see right now on our Facebook, I have a fresh account that I would use to demonstrate to you guys how you will be able to have a professional mode for your profile and use all of the different features and benefits that a professional profile would get. Now first things first, go over to your profile, which is this section over here, and over here on this section over here in the top where you can see the post, about, friends, photos, videos, check-ins, and more. Look over here on the rightmost side, you will see these three dots over here. Selecting that will allow you to see all of these options that we have over here. All of these are options that are going to affect your profile or your account, of course. And scrolling down, you will be able to see that there is a turn on professional mode over here. Now, for some people, this will not be available, and there are multiple ways to fix this. The first option is the lock profile. If your profile has been locked, or if your profile has this feature on you where you enabled your lock profile, meaning only your friends will be able to see your photos, your posts, all of those things. Other people who are not your friend will not be able to see your profile that much. Those are things that people typically enable as a personal user on their personal account. That is something people often enable to avoid people snooping and checking out their account. And people might have forgotten that this is enabled. And so they then want to enable their professional mode, but they forgot that the lock is enabled. So if that lock is enabled for you, the turn on professional mode will not appear on your settings over here. So make sure to disable that, because what's the point of having a professional mode, which is typically used for business, if people can't see your profile? So that's the way this works. That's the reason why you won't be able to see the professional mode if your lock is enabled. So make sure you disable that first. That is very important, because professional mode is for businesses, for business people, people who want to promote their product, or people who want to gain the benefits of earning money in Facebook. And so allowing other people to view your profile is very important. But anyway, if you click on turn on professional mode, you will be able to see all of these options over here. The different benefits in professional mode is that you could actually get paid for your content. You are able to unlock monetization tools and earn money by creating content, gaining views, and people are able to send you some stars in Reels, and you will be able to get money from that. Professional mode is most commonly used by people who want to earn money through Reels. So typically, a lot of moms or a lot of older people are actually trying to get into this part of Facebook to be able to earn some money while doing their hobby, or while recording whatever they want, doing their passion, enjoying life, recording the different things happening to them. And they could post it in Facebook and have people watch it and get some money at the same time, which is really great. So by turning this on, we will be able to enable our professional mode on our account, and we will be able to, as you can see, have all the different features available for us that are not available for a normal user, as you can see here. Like I mentioned earlier, you will be able to grow your audience, and you will be able to become a creator. You will now be able to understand why the lock mode in your profile is not going to work well with this, because of course, without this, you won't be able to, or people won't be able to see your professional dashboard. Now, the friends that you have, that you would usually have over here, will no longer be referred to as friends, but rather as followers, as you can see here. So if you have, like, let's say 100 friends prior to changing your version to a professional mode, they will then be converted into 100 followers. And whenever someone views your profile, all they're going to see is follow this person. Although you could still be able to friend someone, there is a different section for adding a friend or adding a follower or having a follower. So that's a different video in the future. But anyway, the different ways that you will be able to earn money are through your posts, ads, reels, even a normal business post that you have. If you create your own page, you will be able to get money through that as well. As you can see here, the different dashboard or the different things we will be able to view under professional dashboard are our profile, contents that we have, our audience. You will be able to see what people are viewing, what people are liking, all of those important information. You will be able to see them. You could also earn achievements through Reels over here. As you can see, like I mentioned earlier, most people are using professional mode for Reels because that is a very easy way to get money. But of course, it's not really easy. Of course, nothing is easy with this type of things. But out of all the different ways, having Reels and earning through that is the most common and most easy to set up in or to use in your professional dashboard, as you can see here. There are different sections that you could have. As you can see here, there's also events, moderations and sections. And basically, your character, your profile becomes a public profile that you could use to promote your business and have people view it and interact with the different things that you have. The way you use your professional profile is completely up to you, of course. You could use it for Reels, you could use it for any type of business that you have. Now, you could also disable your professional mode if you want, if you're just testing things out and the things that you want to do aren't really functioning the way you want to, the different things that you want to happen aren't really happening. So you want to go back onto being a normal Facebook user and, canceling our professional mode. You could easily do that by going to the same section over here, clicking on the three dots, and you can see here, turn off professional mode. By turning off the professional mode, of course, you will no longer be able to be eligible for the different functionalities or the different sections that you have. Now, let's click this. As you can see, you need to review important changes before you turn off your professional mode, but you could turn it on whenever you want to again. So that's a really neat thing as well. So you're not really going back. You're not going to be doing a decision that you can't take back. So simply click on continue if you want to turn off. And as you can see, there will be things that will change. You will no longer be able to see insights. You will no longer be able to receive payments. You will no longer be able to access the professional mode. But your current friends, followers, and different things that are available for a normal user that you have done in professional mode will still be normal and won't be affected at all. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.